Governor Kristi Noem won't rule out a possible special legislative session, but she doesn't expect one in June. There has been talk for months of a special session to deal with the pandemic's impact on businesses and the state's bottom line. The governor wants the latest numbers on sales tax revenue, which makes up most of the state's income, before calling a special session.
Based on what we know today, we most likely will not need a special session in the month of June, and that would be before the end of the current fiscal year. Potentially we could need one later on, though. Revenue numbers will be in next week, and we'll have a better picture then as to what we're looking at.
South Dakota has received more than $1.2 billion in federal relief to respond to the pandemic. Noem says it's not clear if the state can use that money to make up for lost revenue. She says the U.S. Treasury is still considering the issue.
They have been good about giving us some flexibility in the dollars that we've already received. So that's been helpful. We still, though, for the next fiscal year, really would like to see them give us some ability to use it for revenue replacement because of the impact we're seeing to our economy.
Noem says Congress could also pass a law with accountability guidelines to allow that flexibility. The governor will extend the state of emergency she first issued in mid-March to respond to the pandemic. The original state of emergency was set to expire at the end of this month. She says the extension is necessary to continue receiving federal relief money. South Dakota Department of Health officials report 67 new COVID-19 cases. That brings the statewide total to 1,075 active cases, 50 deaths, and 3,528 people have fully recovered. Overall, 4,653 people have tested positive for COVID-19 in South Dakota. For South Dakota Public Broadcasting, I'm Jackie Hendry.